What's happening, guys? Another great upgrade from Fleece Performance Engineering. If you have an 11 to 16 Powerstroke and you've ever had to change the fuel filter yourself, or you've ever changed your fuel filters or took it somewhere to get your fuel filters changed, and then the technician calls you and says, we broke something. Usually it's this little teeny tiny return fitting. It's made out of plastic from the factory. Once again, I'm constantly complaining on this channel that Ford keeps making crap out of plastic. So does Dodge. So does Chevrolet. I don't know why you would ever make this out of plastic. It's super fragile, super brittle. It's in the hottest part of the engine bay, right next to the exhaust manifold. It should have been made out of aluminum for the factory. Fleece finally did it right for us. I actually got to see these months ago when we were up there for PRI. We stopped by Fleece's facility and they gave me these parts, and I've just been sitting on them, and I wasn't allowed to talk about them because they hadn't done a public release yet. So they finally gone public with them. I'm finally allowed to talk about it. You guys can purchase this right here on our site, reviewdiesel.com, and check out the channel. We've reviewed the same part for the 17 to 24 Powerstrokes. So if you have a friend or a family member that's got a newer truck, you can get this one. This is the correct part number for your older 11 to 16. If they've got a 17 or newer Illuma Duty, we got a video for that too. Hit us up in the comments if you got parts like this that you've seen online. Maybe you searched for this very part and couldn't find it. It's just been released. It's pretty new. But if you see parts that you think may not be made in America, you're concerned about it, looks like it came off Temu or something like that, hit us up in the comments. We'll answer it. We'll do some research for you. But we know for a fact these are made here in America. I've walked through the facility up in Indiana. I've watched the raw aluminum go into the CNC machine, and I've watched these high quality aluminum parts pop out the other side. So no concerns there. You're not going to have to pay tariffs on any of the stuff you order from us or from Fleece Performance Engineering. Any questions, comments, let us know. Hit the like and subscribe button and click on the little bell so you get alerts, because we're constantly dropping videos. We got a whole bunch of video content coming up. You're not going to want to miss out on it. It's all here. Everything we do here is to save you guys hard-earned money. We don't want you buying cheap, crappy parts. We want to sell you high-quality parts at the best deal possible. So stick around. Let us know if we can help with anything else.